Howdy, friends. It's Steve DePoe here with the Rose Realty team. Hey, you might have noticed that the for sale sign went back up on 1325 Coral Drive in Capel, right there in River Chase Estates. Now, after a brief break over the holiday, 1325 is back on the market. This is a great house. This is 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, bonus room upstairs, a fireplace off in the family room, which is just off the kitchen, just to name a few items. Now, prior to the break, we put in new flooring downstairs. During the break, the pool out back got a new pool heater and new plaster inside the pool. We did PebbleTech. It is a great look. You're going to want to see this. It looks fantastic. Now, for more information on the house, you can hit the QR code right here, or in the email that you just got, that where you hit the video, there's a button that said for more information. Hit that button. It'll take you to the same information as the QR code, gives you all the information about the house. Now, here's the deal. You're the only ones getting this video email. You're our VINs, which is very important neighbors. You're the people that live there right around the house in River Chase Estates. Now, why are we only sending this email to you? I'll tell you why. First of all, you're our very important neighbors. Second, this is maybe the only time in your entire adult lives where you're going to be able to pick your neighbors. Most of the time, you move into a neighborhood and you get what you get, right? But now is the only time maybe in your entire lives where you're going to be able to pick the neighbors that move into this house, okay? Now, maybe you have a friend who lives in Arlington or a family member who lives in Dallas who wants to move to River Chase Estates. Maybe you've got somebody in Oklahoma who wants to move on down. Now's the time. Now, here's the scoop, okay? Both Saturday and Sunday this weekend, we're doing an open house just for you, very important neighbors, from 12 to 1 Saturday and Sunday. The normal open house is going to be from 1 to 3, but the VIN open house is going to be from 12 to 1, both Saturday and Sunday. Okay, come on by, bring your friends, bring people who want to move into the neighborhood, and bring bring some family member. Now, family and friends aren't necessarily the same thing. We understand that, right? But bring your family, bring your friends, and preview this house. Now, as an added incentive, we're raffling off a bottle of Nicky Fu champagne to anybody that attends that 12 to 1 special VIN open house. Now, here's the restrictions. We're going to need your name, we're going to need your address, and we're going to need your email address. You have to be over 21, and you have to be home Sunday, like around 3:30 or so, because that's when we're going to deliver your prize, and we just can't leave it on the front porch. You get me? Okay, so we're going to be 12 to 1, both Saturday and Sunday, at 1325 Coral Drive, right there in Capel, River Chase Estates. Bring your friends, bring your family, 12 to 1, both Saturday and Sunday. This is Steve. I am with the Rose Realty team. See you Saturday or Sunday. Take care.